dinner with me. And now I'm gonna make borscht. We're gonna start with the beets. And we have cucumber. This is what a beet looks like. White onions. Some dill for garnishing. Kefir. You can use buttermilk or whole milk. Okay, so we have our beets, our cucumber, and our white onions, our dill. You're gonna need 1 cup. I usually like to do 2. Make sure you wash it.
It's going to come from top. I have so much stuff too. Just going to visit you and I'm like, oh.
Make lunch with me. Now I'm going to grab the borscht. And I need the other knife. This is how your borscht should look. If you put more milk or kefir, it should be a light pink. But this is Lithuanian borscht or cold beet soup. It's really good with potatoes on the side. Make sure to cook the potatoes for 25 minutes on each side. Now we're gonna wait for the potatoes to finish and I'll be right back with the finished product.